gosh, I feel like crying.
Yeah?
I feel like crying because I'm just so...
At the moment, there's a political master over this side. His name's Christopher Luxon. He's a Mr. Miyagi right now. Lux on, Lux off.
Up the Lux.
Lux on!
Lux is on! Lux is on!
Ngā kare a roto, e tino humari, e tino rangi mari ana hau, tēnei wā te kake mai o ngā kaumātua, Pākehā mai, ini ana mai, haina mana mai, me oku hoa, ke te tautoko i a māua ko Ariana, me enei āhuatanga o te pōti. Ka te ara mai te mema, te kōwhiringa o te rōpū reipa, ki te tuku mihi mai ki au, ke te kake mai aku anei.
Yeah, come on up.
Nice to see you. Congratulations, Tama. Well
Thank you.
done. I'm
Thank
sure
you.
you're going to be a great MP again for Hamilton West.
I think I'm pretty overwhelmed, I think, is probably a good word to describe it. I just know how hard Tama has worked over the last 12 months, but also all of the whānau that have been behind him. And so I'm just really, really, really pleased with the outcome.
Aue!
Tātou e, tū tira mai ngā iwi.
Aue!
Tātou e, pai a te mārangatanga. Me te aroha e ngā iwi. Ki a patapatahi, ki a patahira. Tātou e.
Congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you for your support.
We believe in the collective good of all of those who want to make change for the betterment of Aotearoa. And so for us it's about making sure that we are working with people to make sure that we're making contributions of consequence wherever we are and whatever we're doing.
When I say party vote, you say national. Party vote. National. Back on. National. Tino pie.
I think initially my big surprise was there was some negativity that came with Tama being a national, Tama being Māori and national. And our children experience some of that in their schools, but we're really lucky that around our tamariki they have a good strong hold of friends and friendship. So within that environment they had people immediately who were able to wrap around them. This has been a great learning experience for our tamariki, and they have really shown an aptitude around wanting to know more about politics, which has been really quite insightful for me, because I think as a 12-year-old I couldn't imagine knowing or thinking about who the government was or what their roles or policies were. So our tamariki have really embraced Tama being in politics. It's been hard, I won't lie, it's been hard to, you know, we don't see him often, and he's down in Wellington or he's here in Hamilton, but we're in Auckland moving back down home, so it has been quite a big year for our tamariki, but I think they've really just embraced what Tama's, you know, passionate about doing, and we keep wanting to just ensure that we're supporting him in the right way that we, you know, is possible for him.
But for real, up the Lux, we're there to get him over the line, and we don't want white line fever at the end of the night. We want to get him over the line. So I wanted to thank all of you from many different communities, many different facets of our great city, Hamilton, and the electorate of Hamilton West. Everyone has something to offer. Nobody has everything, but everybody has something. That's what I believe in.
To stay authentic, to not lose sight of who he is, to always remember those who surrounded him when he was growing up, and to stay strong to his values. So I think that's been the, you know, when we debrief, which is every night if we're not together, I always sort of check in with him to see how he's going, and if I kind of sense that he might be tilting a little one way or the other, I just kind of like to bring him back down to sort of like, this is who you are, and this is who we are, and this is why you're here.
I tell you what, it's the hardest job in the world being my wife. So I wanted to acknowledge my wife, and the many blessings and gratitudes that I get being married to Ariana.